Have you ever searched for ideas online for design, fashion, home decor, or business? There's a platform where millions of people share creative ideas every day: Pinterest. What is Pinterest? Pinterest is a visual discovery platform where people find inspiration, ideas, and images for different interests like cooking, fashion, photography, and business. How to download Pinterest. To download Pinterest: 1. Open the App Store or Play Store. 2. Search for Pinterest. 3. Tap install or get how to create an account after opening the app. 1. Tap sign up. 2. Enter your email. 3. Create a password. 4. Choose your interests. What are pins and boards? On Pinterest, pins are images or videos shared by users. Boards are collections where you save your favorite pins. How to save ideas. If you like a pin: 1. Tap the save button. 2. Choose a board. 3. The idea will be saved for later. How to post on Pinterest. To post your own content: 1. Tap the plus icon. 2. Upload an image or video. 3. Add title and description. 4. Publish your pin. Why Pinterest is popular. Pinterest is popular because it helps people find ideas quickly. It inspires creativity. Businesses use it for marketing. Now you know how Pinterest works and how you can use it to discover amazing ideas.